Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux full version without root on any Android device. So guys, if you want to install Kali Linux in your Android phone, then you are on the right place. So here I will tell you step-by-step guide to install Kali Linux on any Android device. Okay, I will watch the full video guys, because I am going to solve some issues with that software. Okay, so watch the till the end. Okay, so now we have an article here, so follow the link from the video description and you will redirect it to here. So here I will give you all the requirements, files, commands which required to install Kali Linux on an Android device. Okay, so first you need to download VNC Viewer and Termux application. Download links are here, and your device not to be rooted, because without root this trick will work properly. So download all the files from the here which I mentioned here. Okay, so VNC Viewer and Termux application is required and all the commands are here. Okay, so let's start the video and let's start our installation process. The first, open the Termux application guys. So I installed both applications here. First time when you open Termux application, it will take time to set up first time, so wait here. Okay guys, so setup is done. Now we are going to put commands step by step, one by one. Okay, no need to check anything, just follow my commands here. So we are going to put this command. It will update and upgrade your packages. So let's copy that and directly paste it in your Termux application and press enter. Done guys, all packages are updated. So now the next step is to install fish package on your Termux. Okay, so copy that command and paste here and paste and enter. It will install fish package in your Termux. Okay, so fish package is installed successfully. Now we are going to move our Termux to fish mode. Okay, so for that you need to put fish command here, fish, and enter, and now you see your mode is changed. Okay, so now the next step is to next command. Let's get. Okay, now you need to install, actually not install, you need to give a permission of your storage. Okay, your phone storage. Let's put that command and enter. It will pop up you to allow the permissions. Okay, so allow it. Done. Now the next step is to next command. Okay, so let's get our next command. You need to install wget. Okay, wget package. So copy that command, paste here and press enter. It will install wget packages. It will allow you to download third-party softwares. Okay, done guys. Now our main command is here. Copy that. It will initialize Kali Linux package in your Termux system. So copy that, paste and enter. Done guys, it will downloading. Okay, so just write ls space -a. It will show you all the files present here, and make sure NetHunter Termux is available here. Now we are going to change permissions of that file. Copy that command, go to Termux, paste here and press enter. Now you will see one file in green. It means your permissions are successfully changed. Okay, let's see. You can see this file is in green. It means permissions are perfect changed here. Okay, so now the last command we are going to put, it will download full package of Kali Linux. So copy that command, paste here and enter. Okay, so it will start downloading Kali Linux full package, full version package. So it will take a time guys, because the file size is 1.24 GB. So make sure your internet speed is good, otherwise it will corrupt your file. So wait here until it complete. Okay, so you can see the file size is 1.24 GB. I will show you. Okay, 1.24 GB. So I am going to skip this part. You need to wait, okay, until it download complete. I am going to skip this part. Okay, so our download is complete successfully. Now they are asking you to delete that file or not. So our file is already extracted, so we don't need this file right now. So I'm going to type yes, delete that file. Okay, after that you will get this screen. If you're not getting this screen, it means you are facing some issues. So you need to start from start first command again until you get this screen. Okay, so our Kali Linux is installed successfully. You get localhost access here. So now the next step is to set a password of VNC Viewer. So for that you need to go again on my website page here and copy that VNC password command, this one, NetHunter KEX password. Okay, so it will allow you to set a password for a VNC Viewer. Just copy paste here and enter, and set your password at least 6 characters. Okay, not less than that. Enter, verify again retype your password. You will not see in the terminal, but you need to remember it. Enter. Now the press N means no. Okay, N and enter, and successfully your password is set. Okay, now our VNC server password is set successfully. Now we need to connect that VNC server. For that you need to start our VNC server first. So for starting you need to use this command, NetHunter KEX and sign. Copy that command, paste here and enter, and wait here. It will starting our VNC server. Okay, you can see our server is started successfully. So you will get these details on your screen. and make sure you remember this port 5901. It is required to connect VNC server through the application. Okay, so remember that port. So let's connect. For that, open VNC Viewer application right now. Now click on plus sign here. In address tab, you need to write in small letters. Okay guys, in small letters, localhost colon 5901. That is our port, right? One. Next, machine name, you can write whatever you want, no matter. Done. Click on connect button here. Okay, you pop up like this, press OK. It will ask you for a password, so you need to enter that password which you set it before, which is VNC password. So I'm going to press that and click on next, and remember that password, enable that option, don't ask me again, and connect. And done. Your Kali Linux is successfully installed on your Android phone. You are using GUI version here, GUI interface. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Click on that option and you will see lot of application, lot of tools is installed, pre-installed. So I'm not going to tell you each and every application here because no much time here. So let's open terminal. You can see terminal emulator here. You can use terminal from here as well. I'm going to open that. You will feel some lag here, but it will fix in upcoming updates, so no issues. You can see terminal emulator is opening. Open. So you can use this software to use Kali Linux experience. So many people asking me about browser not working in Kali Linux. So let's check browser working or not. If not working, then we will install Firefox. You can see lots of applications are installed already. Okay, so you can use this softwares if you want. I'm going to open browser here. It's taking time, but it's opening. Okay, so you can see browser is open. Now let's search for something like Google. You can enable keyboard here. From here you can see, click that option and your keyboard is present. Remove all and type Google, whatever you want to search. You can search here. Make sure your data is Wi-Fi or data pack is enabled, otherwise you will not be access. You can see internet is working perfectly, so no issues with browser. You can use that browser as well. Okay, so we are going to experience this Kali Linux on our Android device, but what if you have some issues? Like, I'm going to exit that software. Now going to exit Termux. I'm going to fix some issues. Okay, so let's see how to fix that issues. So first you need to exit all your tabs. You can see I'm going to exit Termux as well. I'm going to tell you how to reconnect with your VNC server again. After Termux exit, if you are going to try to connect, you will get this error. So let's fix this error and reconnect to our server again. Okay, so for that you need to open again Termux application. When you open Termux, after exit you will get this screen. So first you need to access your NetHunter or a Kali Linux mode. For that you need to type nh and enter, because you need to log in into localhost. You can see now you are on localhost. Now first, when you are trying to log in on VNC viewer, first you need to stop VNC viewer, because we directly exit that part. So copy that command and paste here and remove that and sign here and type stop. To reconnect VNC viewer you need to stop first. Okay, enter. Command not found. Okay, so you no need to write a NetHunter, only write kex space stop, because we are already in NetHunter mode, so no need to write NetHunter. Stop, enter, and boom, your VNC viewer is stopped successfully. Now after stop you need to restart again. Yeah, it means you need to start your VNC server again. For that type kex space and sign. Okay, and press enter. Wait here. And boom, your VNC server is started successfully. You can see our port is ready here. So now you can access your interface here. Okay, you can see now we are not going to face any issues now. Okay, so for more information about this installation you will get here. I have FAQs here, common questions. You can get all similar questions. If you have any query you can comment us below as well. But if you are getting some issues, so you can fix that issues from here. I have a solution for you as well. Okay, so now you can see you can use as a root user as well. So copy that command. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to use that. You can use root as well. So read this article guys. If you like this article, please share it with your friends. Copy that command, open Termux. Okay, now paste that command and press enter. Now you are see hash sign here, it means you are a root user, so you can use as root as well. So that's it for guys. So article link in the video description, you can follow that guide and use Kali Linux full version on your Android phone. So I hope this article will help you a lot. If you like this article, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching guys.